All right, here's a daytime shot of this trailer. Got all the bolts and nuts and washers on the floorboards. Now right in there, the two in the middle, I got to go underneath the thing and put the nuts and washers on that one. But other than that, all the rest of them, all the way back there, they're down secure. All along the back, this is the back. Nuts and washers on secure. And when you buy these boards, man, you got to watch it, because if you look at it from the other end way down there, this board right here wasn't straight at all. Look at the gap. Yeah, the gaps on these things, but it's a floorboard, so they're down. But like I said, they wasn't straight at all, looking right at it. But what do? You're at the mercy of the place. And this board right here was very, very warped, so I pulled it down real slow, and even wetting the board down and pulling it down slow, it did a crack right here. So I'm gonna fill that in with some wood glue. I got some heavy duty wood glue and some rot repair glue, and I'm gonna just put it all, smear it all down in there, and see if that'll solidify it, make it get back hard. Like you can see the hairline cracks in these. But like I said, we ain't tripping. It's a trailer, and it's hard to get a trailer without knots all in it. You can look at all the knots. Remember, I did a stair. Look at the knot in that one. I did some steps, man. I took every board off of 3 stacks of lumber in the lumber section in the big box stores, and I think out of 3 stacks, I needed like 30 boards. I probably got like only 8 of them with no knots in them. They were 16 foot long, so I can cut them in half. I needed 8 footers. So it is what it is in the lumber department to select from these days. But I appreciate y'all watching, man. Coming up next, man, I got to put the wiring on this thing, and I'm gonna weld on my fenders, wire the lights, fix that trailer tongue down there, and get the jack put on properly, and we're gonna go from there. Like I say, appreciate y'all watching. Like and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Appreciate y'all.